Welcome in on this Thursday. You're watching First Shift. I'm Kristen Strakalaitis. Coming up, how an area near Detroit could start preparing for more autonomous vehicles on the road. But first, your morning headlines. Penske Automotive Group's first quarter net income more than doubled, generating the retailer's most profitable quarter ever. This as used vehicle revenue surged and the company's dealerships produced higher gross profits across all business lines. Penske reported Wednesday that net income soared to $369.5 million, up from $183.1 million in the year earlier. Revenue jumped 21% to $6.98 billion. Penske Automotive shares rose 5% in pre-market trading Wednesday. They closed down 1.25% to $99.22 on Tuesday. The microchip shortage and other supply chain challenges are slowing production for Japan's #3 automaker. March production fell 44%, and now the new Z sports car has been delayed. Sales were scheduled to begin in Japan in June. Nissan isn't giving a new timeline, but the Nikkei said it is expected sometime in the July to September quarter. The Z joins Nissan's Ariya in new vehicle launch delays that the automaker attributes to supply chain challenges. General Motors reported first quarter net income of $2.9 billion, a slight decrease from a year earlier. Excluding interest and taxes, GM's earnings slid 8.4% to $4 billion. CEO Mary Barra reaffirmed the company's 2022 adjusted earnings guidance of $13 billion to $15 billion. Operating profit in North America was little changed at $3.1 billion. GM expects net income for the year to end up in the $9.6 billion to $11.2 billion range. It's a long-standing tradition for GM and Ford to try to outdo each other. GM CEO Mary Barra said electric trucks are the company's biggest growth opportunity. Quote, "We've led the full-size pickup segment for 2 consecutive years and will lead the EV truck market as well." For this week's driving innovation, Interstate 94 between Detroit and Ann Arbor could in the coming few years become the first major artery in Michigan designed for autonomous vehicles. Cavnue, which is focused on designing roads for the future, was tapped by state officials to develop a first-of-its-kind connected and autonomous vehicle corridor in southeast Michigan. Moving forward, Cavnue and MDOT will develop a broader plan for the stretch of interstate, which will include traffic studies, environmental analysis, road design, and operational planning, as well as public engagement and outreach. This is according to a statement from Cavnue. To support the work, as well as other projects, the Washington, D.C.-based company has closed on a series of funding round of venture capital that totals $130 million. This was said by Cavnue CEO Tyler Duvall. And for the latest happenings in the auto industry, stay locked to our website, autonews.com. Have a great day, and we'll see you Friday morning.